I know you are wondering what this video is all about. As you can see, I am all packed up, not yet. So today I have a flight to Japan and I thought I must do a video on what to pack for Japan. Specifically if you're planning a business trip to Japan. So I'm just sharing my luggage. I had to specifically buy this luggage this time because I'm moving 5 cities in a matter of 7 days. I will be changing 5 different cities in Japan, and I had to buy a new luggage for that. How in India we are so used to just sitting in your car and driving away, but Japan is a different country. Everywhere you go, you will be taking mostly public transport. Mainly trains are operational for long distances. They are more convenient, and that means a lot of moving around. So I had to make sure that I pack light and I pack sensibly so that I don't get stuck anywhere, because Japan is not very friendly for a lot of luggage. You will find stations where there are a lot of stairs and there are no elevators available. Escalators are there, but you will find that it is inconvenient to carry a lot of luggage there. I purposely wanted both my luggages to have the convenience of carrying a laptop, because sometimes I may not be carrying the suitcase with me. I would need only the bag. So that's what I did. Alright, so now moving on to some of the products that we need essentially in Japan. So coming to the electronics that I will be packing. So this is an international charger. So let me tell you 2 fun facts about electronics in Japan. One, there is a different voltage in Japan. So you can't use any of the electronics that you carry from India without an international charger or adapter. And then you will need to put this, if we are using the 3 pins like India, you need to insert this here and use the international voltage, right? So it has USB also, multiple points. So you will definitely need an international charger and an adapter when you are traveling to Japan. As a content creator, I always keep a backup with me because I create a lot of videos of campuses and with students. So this is the power backup. Highly recommend you carry one. Pods are definitely a must. Storage for any content creator or even traveler. Then I will be carrying this mic that I'm using and the tripod definitely. Now about what other things are essentials to carry in Japan. Medicines. Definitely, I mean, Indian medicines are very different from Japanese medicines. You won't find them there. Second is yen, of course. So yen is not as easily available as dollar or some other currencies. So if you are planning to carry cash, which I do usually, I carry some cash, and most of the transactions I try to do via credit card. And in that case, you should plan in advance how much yen you will need. It will be very difficult for you to find yen at the last moment. These are some of the essentials that you will be needing. And about traveling to Japan, I will be keeping you updated about how you are supposed to plan your travel inside Japan. So stay with me during this trip and I'll be taking you around a lot of cities this time. Thank you for watching.